Hi guys, karibuni sana. Welcome back to my channel. We're back. Tumerudi. So today guys, say what did we get? What did we get? Yeah. So finally our tripod has been delivered. So it belongs to you. Can you see Fanny's? Can you see my name there? Can you see? I don't know if you can see. I don't know. But it is mine to Fanny's Asami. So I wanted to unbox with you guys. I'm excited. I'm very excited. So it is time to unbox our tripod. So it comes like this with this bag. This one was inside too. So this is it. This is it. So this is a Bluetooth remote control or something. Bluetooth control, I don't know. I think Bluetooth control. Then this ndio inashikilia simu. If you're using a phone to record, then this, I don't know what's called. This is what does the work. Yeah. So this is how it looks. Mnaiona. So if you're using a camera, this is where you place your camera. Now you place the shoe of the camera here, then that's it. You put your camera. Wow. Umenikumbusha mbali. Anyway, sawa. So let's see how long it is. You open this. It's not that long. Okay. Okay, it's quite long. Apart from like that, this length, you can also, you can also like adjust to that length. Then is this the knob for that? Yeah. So that's it. So you see like how long it is. Inanifika hapa. Slightly under the Yeah, there. So I think this will work for now before we advance. A step at a time, my people. So it's supposed to rotate 360. I think you loosen this knob, then yeah, it goes 360. When you loosen this knob, that one is for this, I think. Yeah, if you want this angle, you put to that angle. Okay, yeah, so that's that. Then now this, okay, here. Oh, no, okay, when you loosen this knob, this one goes like, it goes to that state, then you tighten it so that it can't move. Then now this other knob, the behind knob, you use it to, hiyo place nimwambia mneka shoe ya camera, Luna, you place that. So now you put your phone here. Yeah, I think that's it. Again, okay, again. So it's tripod 3110. I told you it has a Bluetooth something, remote control. I don't know how it works, but we'll figure it out. So yeah, that's it then. I'm excited. I got this. I got this. Because I love my hair and I don't like it when people touch my hair. Munajijua, I don't like it. So sijui ndakuwa navaa hii t-shirt kila siku nikiweka afro, ndio wenye wanawashangwa mikono, vidole nashika nywele wakati. Yeah, anyway guys, that's it. I just wanted to unbox the tripod with you guys. And yeah, I'm glad. So that's it for today guys. Kwaherini. See you on the next one. Nawapenda sana. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you have not. Like, comment, share. Tell a friend. Yeah. Bye. Peace.